how to change your Google profile picture. I will do this tutorial on my Windows browser, but you can always do it on any OS or any browsers that Google supports. Before we start this tutorial, if you want to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just open browser and then head on to accounts.google.com. Okay, you will be redirected to your account, and now all you have to do is just to click on personal info. And then all you have to do is just to click on the profile picture, your current profile picture. Press change on the pop-up. You can choose between the available illustrations from the Google. You can upload it from your computer as well, or you can use your Google photo. In this tutorial I will use these illustrations. For example, I will choose this snowman guy. You can modify it. You can even recolor it or crop it. Once you're done, just click on Save as Profile Picture. Google will change it for you. And once it is deemed ready, all you have to do is just to click on Got It. And your profile picture should be changed immediately. That's pretty much how you change your profile picture, Google. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please mention it on the comment section down below. Cheers, and until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.